In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Twitter tweets not loading on iPhone problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The first solution is to make the necessary updates. The first thing we need to do is update Twitter. To do this, we open the App Store and click on our profile on the top right. After doing this, if there is an update for Twitter in the upcoming automatic updates section, we do this update. The second thing we need to do is update our device. To do this, we open Settings and click on General. Then click Software Update. After that, if there is an iOS update, we do it. We have checked for updates. The last thing we need to do is turn our phone off and on again. After doing this, we can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to clear Twitter's cache files. Accumulated cache files can cause problems, so we will clean these files. To do this, we open Settings. Then we scroll down and click on General, and then click on iPhone Storage. We scroll down and find Twitter among our apps. Once we have done that, we click Offload App and click Offload App again to continue. Now, what you need to do is click Reinstall App. The reinstall app process is complete. Now, we need to open Twitter and log into our account. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to change our internet. The problem may be caused by your Wi-Fi or mobile data. If this is the case, what you need to do is to try using mobile data if you are having problems with Wi-Fi. Likewise, if you are having problems with mobile data, we need to switch to Wi-Fi. If the problem is caused by our internet, doing this will solve the problem. If your problem is not solved, we will move on to the last solution. Also, if switching internet solved your problem, you can mention it in the comments section. The fourth solution is to delete and reinstall Twitter. The reason for doing this is that a clean install can solve this kind of problem. However, there will be an extra step here. First, we will remove Twitter from our device. To do this, we click Settings and open iPhone Storage as we did it in the second solution. Then click Delete App. Twitter is uninstalled. We restart our device once before reinstalling Twitter. I can do this right now because I am recording, but you need to do it. After that, open the App Store and download Twitter again. Now you can open the app and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.